Hey y'all, it's your girl Lyasia and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button before we get any further. But your girl is back with another video and I'm going shopping today and I'm excited because I'm going back to At Home, which is my new fave store here now that I live in Florida. Before, just a few months ago, I've never even been into the store and now I'm obsessed with it. That's what's on the agenda today. And I'm bringing you guys with me, and hopefully I find some things that I like, because that has been one issue. I know I took some time off from even looking, but the main issue was I wasn't finding things that fit me and my aesthetic and how I want it to look. So, you come across cute stuff, but is it what you want? No. So I really want to find some more throw pillows for both the bedroom and the couch. I want to find a basket that I've been looking for my throw blankets for the living room. I want to find some decor pieces for my console, and still looking for an accent chair for in our bar area. Fingers crossed, hopefully we get some good stuff. All right, so we're in here right now. And hopefully you guys can hear me with this mask on and you don't really hear the music too much because I'm not trying to get copyright. But I don't even know where to start. Just so much stuff in here. I think I'm gonna start this way. So I'm looking for a basket that will hold some throw blankets for in the living room, and I really wanted something that's gonna have black in it. So this is kind of along the lines that I'm looking for, something that has like the cute little handles. It's a nice deep basket that'll be able to fit some throw blankets in there. I just don't know how I feel about this one. And I like this one because it has more natural in it with some black, but it's way bigger. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's way bigger than I need. So I don't know. And then there's another one down this way. Let me show you guys this other one that I saw up front. This one I saw, and right away I was like, oh my gosh, I think I found a really good one. But then, hold on, let me take this out. But then I'm like, it has a lot of holes in it. Like, I don't want you to see the blankets in from the outside. That's gonna look a little messy from my OCD. All of these baskets and not one is working for what I want. Can you imagine? Like, I think I'm the biggest joke, you guys, and this is why this apartment is never gonna be finished. So I'm also looking for an accent chair to go in that bar area. So these are some things they have. These are actually cute little chairs. I like the shape of this. I saw something on Target that had something similar to this. I just don't know if I want to get a different color or also try to get kind of like a white beigey thing that matches our couch. Or, ooh, look at this burgundy. This burgundy like wine color, to do that there maybe. See, emerald green is my vibe, and if I could find a really nice one, I would do that. So eventually I have to find a chair, but I'm gonna not worry about that right now because that's just, I need more time for that. Also, the pillows, I don't know, not really finding too much. This is the story of my life. Are you guys even gonna see this video? Probably not if I'm like not getting anything. All right, so we still need chairs and furniture for the balcony. And I love this so much. I think this is super cute. I like this. They're in section C. Let me go look for them because I like them. Oh look, here's some other ones. These are nice too, but I like the ones that have cushion because you need cushion, child. All right, let me see. Oh no, it's all sold out. They only have the tables, which actually, I don't think I love the tables. I'm popping in to look at some lamps while I'm here. We have like a cream kind of velvet headboard that has like a gold trim. And then our nightstands are kind of like a darker cream, kind of shark embossed kind of texture. And it also has like gold accents for the knobs. So I kind of like this vibe, where it's kind of like a clear. I feel like this gold is going to be a lot lighter. It may not match. Same with this. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm just afraid to do too much gold, but I like the clear vibe and then get like a white shade. So hard. It's so hard. But yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. So my trip to At Home wasn't the most successful, but I did manage to find the perfect pillows for my bedroom. These pillows in the back, this color is exactly what I've been looking for and wanting for in the bedroom as one of the colors that I want for that bedroom story, which is a lot of different kind of shades of like neutral tans and taupes and creams and whites. So I'm so excited because finding the right pillow colors has actually been pretty hard for me. And I love it. Also finding the right texture of pillows too. But anyway, I got these two, these bigger ones. I think I paid 20 for those, 10 for this smaller, like fluffy one. Oh, it feels so good. And this is so soft too. I love this. So these are the same. It's just the other side. So one side has this like stitching, and then the other side of the pillow is just plain with nothing. I feel like the camera's not even really picking up the color as much, but it's such a nice like camel color. It looks a little brighter in person. It's reading dull and more taupey on camera, but in person it is that true kind of like camel color, that like caramel color. And now I'm gonna go to Home Goods today. I mean, I live in Home Goods and it's like hit or miss sometimes, and hopefully today is a hit. Y'all, I still can't find these goddamn baskets. They used to have so many over here, and now they just have like these few. Yeah, what's up? I just want to say that this home decor shopping has been a fail, okay? Like nothing is matching the vibe that I'm going for. I can't find the right pieces. Like, will I ever have this apartment furnished? Probably not. It's so frustrating. It's like I have so many like visions in my head of pieces I want and what I want them to look like and what colors I want them to be, and I just cannot find that. I cannot find that. And it's so frustrating because I'm like, I want to like move along with this process. But yeah, that's just kind of an update, but not really an update because there's really nothing to show. Like, I literally feel like I have not been progressing as much as I would like when it comes to decorating this place and furnishing it. I don't know if I'm just being too picky, which is a strong possibility, not even gonna front. Trying to be a better YouTuber, yes, I am. Yeah, so just don't write me off yet. Please. Don't write your girl off yet.